Can you see this Excel sheet? So these are strikes, and this is call option open interest, put option open interest. So this is total open interest at these strikes. To calculate max pain, what we do is, this is loss to option buyer, option seller. I have calculated loss to option seller. It is easier this way, because loss to option buyer will be difficult to calculate. So here, if expiry is at 17,600, how much will be loss to option seller? Call seller will not have to give any money, because call sellers, if call is if Nifty is expiring at 17,600, these all will be out of the money strikes, and 17,600 will also be zero. So premium will be zero, they will not have to pay anything. But what will happen if expiry is at 17,650? Call sellers at 17,600 strike will have intrinsic value of 50 rupees. So how much they will have to pay back? They will have to pay 50 rupees into open interest. So here I have created that formula, 50 into B2. This is the amount which these buyers, call sellers, will have to pay back from their premiums. All these strikes will become zero and they will pocket the premiums, but this much premium they will not be able to pocket. What will happen at this level? If expiry is at 17,700, these people will have to pay 100 rupees, and these people will have to pay 50 rupees, because there is 50 rupees intrinsic value at 17,650 call. Okay, so calculation for this is, here we can see the formula, 100 into open interest plus 50 into open interest. So by this calculation, these people will have to pay this amount. Okay, so there is similar addition every time. If expiry is at this level, these people will have to pay 150. If expiry is at 17,800, this strike people will have to pay 200 rupees. So this is the formula edited for every strike. And then how much is loss for option seller, that is calculated here. Now this is for call, this is for put. For put side, they will not have to pay any premiums back if expiry is at 18,200. But similar to the call, means for reverse of call, they will have to pay 50 rupees if expiry is at 18,150. 18,200 put writers will have 50 rupees intrinsic value. They will pay 50 into open interest, so it comes to 45,000. And then calculating these things, we are getting these values: loss of call seller and loss of put seller. So if expiry is at 17,900, how much will be loss of call seller? It is here. And how much will be loss of put seller? It is here. Okay, so we add loss of call seller and loss of put seller and see how much will be maximum loss for option seller. At this point, if you see, this is the strike, this is point 17,800, where option seller will have minimum loss. This is minimum loss. Here the losses are increasing, here the losses are increasing. If option sellers are losing minimum, then who is losing? Option buyers are losing maximum at this point. Am I right? Are you getting this calculation? So option seller will lose minimum amount here at 17,800 and option buyer will lose maximum. So this is max pain. But what do people do? The different websites, they calculate max pain for full option chain. That is not useful. Highest open interest needs to be taken in account, and maybe from current market price, 5 strikes up, 5 strikes down, that kind of option open interest may be useful. It may be, it may not be. but I don't use Max Pen, so I have not done detailed study of this.